So what does a used car customer say when asked by friends whether the vehicle she's now driving is a new car? The words she responds with reveal the most important secret in used car sales. Those words are, "It's new to me," and the feeling of new that she uses to describe her purchase is true in every sense of the word, especially the sense of smell. For years, behavioral scientists have understood the connection between our sense of smell, our memory, and our emotions. And any successful salesperson understands the connection between emotions and a sale. Unfortunately, used vehicles also have a memory for odors. Over time, they store them on interior surfaces in obvious and not so obvious places. But no matter where odors are found, they are not always willing to leave. The proper removal of all odors requires the application of a combination disinfectant, mildew stat, fungicide, and sanitizer, which leaves only one thing behind: that new car freshness. Introducing the Interior Renewal Service from BG Products Incorporated. BG's Interior Renewal Service removes odors and restores a refreshing new car environment in minutes, using the best product, tools, and processes to ensure consistent results. To begin the service, make sure all the product and equipment are assembled and ready for use. Choose either BG Interior Renewal New Car Formula, part number 698, or BG Interior Renewal Leather Formula, part number 699. Please read the operating instructions before performing this service. Be sure to wear protective lenses and gloves. The BG applicator tool includes a flex hose as a connection between shop air and the tool itself, providing easier vertical movement during application. Attach the bottle of product and make sure the tool's cap is twisted on before shop air is connected. No pressure gauge is required because all output of the tool is regulated by the adjustable tip. Test the tool trigger and adjust the spray pattern on a test surface to apply product at a distance of approximately 8 to 10 inches. Make sure the vehicle is cleaned thoroughly and remove all personal items. Begin by closing all interior vents except one, preferably on the passenger side to avoid electronics around the dash. Insert the tip of the applicator into the vent and spray for approximately 10 seconds. If the vehicle has an additional air conditioner for the rear of the vehicle, repeat this process in the rear vents. Be sure to spray seat belts and underneath the seats. Apply product to the headliner, throughout the cabin, and to all cloth surfaces in a sweeping motion. Apply to all fabric surfaces in the trunk area. Use the remainder of the product contents in areas under the floor mats and a second application throughout the cabin. When the service is complete, fill the empty product bottle with tap water and spray a full bottle of water through the applicator to remove remaining residue. The BG Interior Renewal Service creates that new car feeling for customers while at the same time creating a valuable asset for your business. BG Products Incorporated is a worldwide leader in automotive maintenance services. BG Products are like a fountain of youth for today's passenger vehicles. BG Products. We drive service.